Hi, I'm Mohan. In this video, I'm going to explain the Solid software, that is basics of Solid software, that is how to save the file and the commands we're going to use while doing CAD problems, okay, and how to do the sheet setup, okay, that I'm going to explain in this video. This is a software we're going to use, okay, the software name is Solid and this is the version 20, okay, double click on it. Okay, when you open the software, this is the first screen that will appear. Okay, here we have to choose a drawing option. Go to drawing. Okay, here we see we have one sheet and we have so many toolbars. Okay, by using these toolbars, we are going to create the drawing. Okay, before that, we have to do the sheet setup. Okay, in order to do the sheet setup, move your cursor on sheet 1. Okay, now right click on the mouse. Okay, if you right click, so many option will appear. See, the insert option is used to insert the sheet, new sheet. Delete option is used to delete the current sheet or present sheet. Okay, reorder option is used to arrange the sheets as per our requirement. Okay, rename option used to rename the sheet. Okay, now the sheet is named as the shift 1 by default. Okay, if you want, you can change the name. Okay, you can save it by using your name or you can save it by using your USN or you can also save it by using the problem name. Okay, for example, if you're doing point problem, you can save it as point 1, point 2, point 3, or if you're doing line problem, you can save it as line 1, line 2, line 3. If you're doing plane problem, you can save it as line plane 1, plane 2, plane 3. Okay, that is up to you. But the most important is sheet setup. Okay, click on that sheet setup. Okay, here again we have three options, that is size, name, background. Go to background. Okay, in that background, okay, we have to select size of the sheet. Okay, here we have four options. A1, A2, A3, A4. We have to choose A4 sheet. Okay, it should be A4 and switch off this to background option. Okay, we don't want this background. Therefore, switch off this background option. Then save defaults. Okay. Okay, now the sheet is ready. Okay, in this sheet, we are going to do the solution or drawing. Okay, now I'll go to fit option. Okay, this is the fit option. This is used to enlarge that sheet. Okay, fit. Okay, now the sheet is ready. The sheet setup is done. Okay, now we can do the drawing. Okay, before that, before starting the drawing, okay, we should know about the toolbars, that the commands we're going to use. Okay, these are the tools or commands we're going to use while doing the solution or while doing the CAD problem. Okay, if any of these command bar or toolbar is not visible, please go to view toolbar and make sure all these options are enabled. That is manage, relationship, main, drawing, drawing views. Okay, main, drawing and drawing views are very, very important. Okay, those are the basic commands we're going to use while drawing. Okay, now all the options are enabled. Okay, see, now the sheet is ready. Now I'm going to do the drawing. You can see, let's see one by one. This is drawing command. Okay, in drawing command, we have so many options. See, the first one is line. Okay, by using this command, we can create line. Okay, in that line also we have point option. By using this point option, we can create the point. First, let us start with point. Now I'm going to select point option. See, if you select point option, this option will appear. Okay, this is continuous. Here we can select the thickness of point. Okay, now I'm going to select thickness as 2 mm. See, I'm going to place the point wherever I want. Okay, like this. Okay, the point option is used to mark the point. Okay, now this is undo option. I'll go back. Now I'm going to select line option. Okay, go to line. See, if you select line option, here some option will appear. Okay, that is we have to select the type of line. See, in type of line, again, we have so many types of line. That is continuous line, dashed line, long dash, short dash line. Okay, based on our requirement, we have to select the type of line. Now I'm going to select continuous line. Okay, and we have one more option, that is line thickness. Okay, see, we have 0.13, 0.18, 0.25, 0.35, 0.50. Usually we're going to use two types of thickness here. The first one is 0.13. Okay, all XY lines, all projection lines, and all dimensions line. We're going to use 0.13 thickness. For visible edges or visible lines, we're going to use 0.50 thickness. Okay, now I'm going to select 0.13. Okay, now I'm going to draw one line. Okay, how to draw a line? See, left click on the mouse to initiate the line. Okay, now move your mouse. Okay, then left click again. To end that, right click to terminate that line. Okay, now the line is drawn. Okay, now also you can change the thickness. Go to select option. See, this is a select symbol, arrow mark. Select that option, select that line. Now also that option will appear. If you want, you can change the thickness. Okay, before it was 0.13 mm. Now I'll change 0.13 to 0.50 mm. Okay, now can you observe the difference? Okay, by using this line command, we can create the line. Okay, next commonly used command is the circle. See the circle by center point. By using this command, we can create the circle. See here we can enter the diameter value or radius value. Okay, now I'm going to assume the circle diameter is 50 mm. I'll enter 50 in keyboard, then enter. Now the circle is created. Okay, now if you want to change the thickness of the circle, go to select option, select this circle. Now change the thickness to 0.50 mm or 0.13 mm. Okay, as per your requirement. Okay, how to delete this? Go to select option, select entire thing, delete in your keyboard. Okay, next by using this rectangle option, we can create the rectangle. See. Okay, now if you want to change the dimension, go to select option, select this line. Okay, now the length is 45.16 mm. Okay, if you want 50 mm, change it to 50, 50, enter. Okay, if you want to change the height, again go to select option, select this line. Okay, now it is around 27.41 mm. Okay, I'm going to change the 27.41 to 30, 30, enter. Okay, now if you want to change the thickness of this rectangle, go to select option, select this rectangle, okay, choose thickness as 0.50 mm. Okay, by using this rectangle option, we can create the rectangle. Okay, next we have this trim option. Okay, this trim option is also very, very important. This is used to trim the element, unwanted element. For example, see, now I'm going to draw one line here, one straight line. Okay, if you want to delete this part, see, I'll go to trim option, see trim. See, by using the trim option, you can delete the unwanted elements. Okay, next commonly used command is okay, smart dimension. Okay, now see, after drawing any polygon or line, okay, we have to show the dimension. Okay, the dimension is very, very important. Okay, now, for example, again, I'll go back to line. See, I'll choose continuous line. Thickness, let it be 0.50 mm. See, now I'm going to draw one line. Okay, now I don't know the value of length. Okay, how to measure the length? Go to smart dimension. Okay, this is the smart dimension command. So go to smart dimension, click on that line. See, now the length is around 153.25 mm. Okay, now also you can change the length. See, go to select option. Okay, select the dimension. Okay, it will be highlighting. Okay, it's showing 153.25. Okay, if you want to change the dimension, okay, and now I'm going to change the dimension to 160, 160, enter. Okay, by using smart dimension, we can show the dimension of any element. Okay, for example, if you want to show the dimension between two elements, then we have to use distance between option. See, now I'm going to select distance between. Okay, the distance between this line and this line. See, now this is around 28.77 mm. Okay, if you want, you can change this dimension also. Okay, go to select option, select the dimension. Okay, now change the 28.77 to 35. Okay, like this, you can change the dimension also. Okay, now in distance between option, we have angle between also. See, I'm going to select angle between this line and this line. Okay, it is 90°. Okay, now I'll go to select option, select everything, delete. Okay, now let us draw the polygons one by one. That is triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, etc. See that any polygons can be created by using line command, also by using macros option. Okay, that is up to you. You can use any option. Okay, you can create by using any option. First, I'm going to explain with line command. See, I'll go to line command. I'll choose continuous line. thickness let it be 0.50 mm. Okay, now I'm going to create triangle of side 30 mm. Okay, assume the length of triangle is 30 mm. See, I'll start from here. Okay, now length value is 30, 30, enter. Okay, now we have to enter the angle. What is angle? Okay, triangle has three sides. Okay, 360 divided by 3 is 120. Therefore, angle is 120, 120, enter. Okay, again length is 30, 30, enter. Angle is 120 into 2, enter. Again length is 30, 30, enter. Angle is 120 into 3, enter. Okay, now the triangle is created. So I'll repeat again. I'll go to line command, choose continuous line, thickness is 0.50 mm. Assume length of triangle as 30 mm. Okay, let's start from here. Length is 30, 30, enter. Angle 120, 120, enter. Length 30, 30, enter. Angle, okay, in second stage, 120 into 2, enter. Again 30, enter. Angle is 120 into 3, enter. Okay, the triangle is created. Okay, now if you want to move the triangle, you can move by using a move option. And if you want to rotate, you can rotate by using rotate option. Okay, now see, this is the move option we're going to use. See, I'm going to select move option. Okay, say select this triangle. Okay, if you select this move option, one option will appear here. That is copy command. Okay, for example, now I'm going to switch on the copy. Now I'm going to move this triangle. See what happens. The original will be there in its initial position, but one more copy will be created. Okay, now again I'll go to move option. I'm going to select this triangle. Now I'm going to turn off this copy command. Now I'm going to move this triangle wherever I want. See, now the difference is the original will be replaced. Okay, the copy will not be created. Okay, again it depends on our requirement. Okay, if you want to create the copy, switch on the copy command. Okay, if you don't want to create the copy, switch off the copy command while moving. Okay. Now, by using rotate option, we can rotate this triangle in place. Usually, we have to place the polygon based on okay. Usually, while solving plane problems, we have to draw the polygon based on resting condition. Okay, if the plane is resting with one of its side, okay, we have to draw the polygon in such a way that the side should come towards our left. If the lamina is resting with the corner, we have to draw the polygon in such a way that the corner should come towards our right, left. Okay, now I'm going to rotate this. See, I'll go to rotate option. Okay. Again, I'm going to select this triangle. Again, I'm going to turn off the copy. I don't want the copy to be created. First, to select one corner. Okay, the point is fixed point. Next, I'm going to select the opposite midpoint. Now, I'm going to rotate. See, by using rotate option, we can rotate any polygon or any object. Okay, if the triangular lamina is resting with corner, we have to rotate it again. See again, I'll go to rotate option. Okay, select this triangle. First, I'm going to select this corner. Okay, that is fixed point. The opposite midpoint is the movable. Okay, switch off the copy command. See, rotate like this. Okay, this is for resting with corner condition. Okay, by using this move option and rotate option, you can move the element or any object, or you can rotate. Okay, as per your requirement. Okay, now we know how to construct a triangle. Now let us see how to construct a square and rectangle. See, square and rectangle can be constructed directly by using this rectangle option. Okay, okay. Now I don't know the dimension of this rectangle. Okay, if you want to change the dimension, go to select option, select this line. Okay, it is around 33.97. Change it to 50, 50, enter. Okay, similarly, go to select option, select the height. Okay, now it is around 18.92. Change it to 50 again, 50, enter. Okay, now it is square of 50 mm. Okay. Even by using this move option or rotate option, we can move the square wherever we want, and we can rotate the square also. For example, see, I'll go to move option. I'm going to select the square. I'm going to turn off this copy command. Okay, move the square wherever you want. Okay, if you want to rotate, you can rotate also. So I'll go to rotate option. Okay, select this square. Okay, first I'm going to select one corner that is fixed point, then opposite corner that is movable point. Now rotate as per your requirement. Okay, like this. Okay, this is undo option, or you can type Control Z on your keyboard. Okay, now let us see how to construct a pentagon. See, I'll go to line command. I'll choose continuous line. Thickness, let it be 0.50 mm. Assume length of pentagon as a 25 mm again. See, I'll start from here. Length is 25, 25, enter. But the thing is, you should know the value of angles. Okay, now how to determine that angles? See, in triangle, the number of sides are 3. Therefore, 360 by 3 is 120. Therefore, angles are 120 in stage 1, 120 into 2 in stage 2, 120 into 3 in third stage. Similarly, in pentagon, the number of sides are 5. 360 divided by 5 is 72. Therefore, in first stage, the angle is 72. 72, enter. Angle is 25 again, 25. Enter in second stage, 72 into 2, enter. Again, length is same 25, enter. Okay, in third stage, angle is 72 into 3, enter. Again, length is same, 25, enter. Angle is 72 into 4, enter. Okay, I'll repeat. Go to line command, thickness, let it be 0.50 mm. Length is 25, enter angle 72, enter. Length is 25, enter angle is 72 into 2, enter. Length is 25, enter. Angle is 72 into 3, enter. Length is 25, enter. Angle is 72 into 4, enter. Length is 25, enter. Angle is 72 into 5. 25, enter. Angle 72, enter. 25, enter. Angle is 72 into 2, enter. Length is 25, enter. Angle is 72 into 3, enter. Length is 25, enter. Angle is 72 into 4, enter. Length is 25, enter. Angle is 72 into 5. Okay, by using line command, we can create the polygon, but the thing is, you should know the angles. Okay, if you want to change the thickness of this pentagon, go to select option, select this pentagon, change the thickness to 0.13 or 0.18, okay, as per your requirement. Okay, now I'm going to change it to 0.50 mm only. Okay, again, by using move command or rotate command, you can rotate this pentagon as per your requirement. Okay, now I'm going to create the hexagon again by using line command. Again, see, I'll go to line command. I'll choose continuous line. Thickness is 0.50 mm. See, I'll start from here. Okay, assume length as 25 mm. See, the length is 25, 25. Enter. Angle is 60 because 360 by 6 is 60. 60 in stage 1. Enter. Again, length 25. Enter. Angle is 60 into 2. Enter. Again, length is 25. Enter. Okay, angle is 60 into 3. Enter. Again, length is 25, enter. Angle is 60 into 4, enter. Again, length is 25, enter. Angle is 60 into 5, enter. Again, length is 25, enter. Angle is 60 into 6, enter. Okay, like this, we can create any polygon by using line command. But the thing is, you should know the angles. Okay, for triangle, that 360 by 3, that is 120. For pentagon, 360 divided by 5, 72. For hexagon, 360 divided by 6, that is 60. Okay, this is one option. Okay, we have one more option, that is by using macros option, we can create any polygon directly. Okay, go to applications. In that applications, choose macros. In that macros, go to run macros. Okay, here we have to select inside polygon. Inside polygon, open. Okay, this screen will appear. Okay, here we have to select flat length. Okay, now the flat length is assume 25 mm, 25. Okay, if you have to create pentagon, number of sides is 5. Enter 5, minimize this, click. See, the pentagon is created directly. Again, I'll go to that screen. Okay, again choose flat length, assume the length as 25 mm. Now, if you want to create hexagon, okay, number of side in hexagon is 6, enter 6, minimize this, click anywhere on the sheet. See, hexagon is created. Similarly, if you want to create triangle, enter number of side as 3, minimize, click. Okay, if you want to create a rectangle or square, number of side is 4, minimize this, enter. Okay, by using this macros option, we can create any polygon directly. Okay, now, and one more important thing is you should know how to save your file. Okay, in order to save your file, say go to file option. Okay, save as. Okay, here we have to select the directory. First, I'll go to this PC. We have a C drive and D drive. I'm going to save my file in D drive. I'll go to new volume D, double click. Okay, here I'm going to create one new folder. Go to new folder option. Create one new folder by using your USN. Okay, I'm going to create new folder as 1VA23 CS001. Okay. Okay. In this folder, I'm going to save all the files. Okay. You can rename this file name also. If you're doing points problem, you can save it as a point, or if you're doing line problem, you can save it as line, or you can also save by using your name or USN. Okay. Now I'm going to save this file as point, save. Now see the point.dft is your file. Okay. Next, you have to save like every 5 minutes, keep saving your drawing. Okay. Now, okay, by using the macros option, we can create any polygon. Now, if you want to show the dimension, as I said, go to smart dimension, select any one line, show the dimension. By using this distance between option also, we can show the dimension. Okay, if you want to show the angle, go to angle between. The angle between this line and this line is 90 degree. And one more important command we're going to use is this zoom area. By using the zoom area, you can zoom the area you want. Okay. If you want to go back to its initial position, fit. Okay. Next, we have to name these polygons now. How to name? See, I'll go to select option. I'm going to select these polygons. I'm going to delete it. Now I'm going to zoom only that pentagon portion. Okay. Now how to name this pentagon? How to name? See, here we have text option. Go to text option. Okay, when you click that text option, here two option will appear. That is the font style. See, here we have so many font style. I'm going to choose Times New Roman. Okay, I'm going to take the Times New Roman as default, and this is size value. I'm going to keep 3.50 mm. Again, this is not standard. If you want, you can change. Okay, now I'm going to name this polygon. I'm going to name this corner as A with small letters. Okay, this corner as B. Okay, this corner as C. Okay, this corner as D, and this corner as E. Okay, by using this text option, you can name any polygon or any element. And by using this text option, you can write your USN on the sheet. Okay, like this. Okay, these are the important commands we're going to use while solving the CAD problems. Thank you.